Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am showing you how I blow dry and flat iron my hair. So here I've just washed my hair, deep conditioned, and I'm just separating it or finger combing through it before I make my sections. And here I'm just showing you my horrible gray hair. Hate it. And yeah, so I'm not going to try not to talk too much, but I'm just going to show you the um, hair care products that I'll be using. I will link them in the bottom below. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and pick those up. Alright guys, I am back. So here I am just detangling my hair in sections, and that's about it. I think I'm going to do about 4 or 5 sections using my wide tooth comb. I'm just starting from the bottom. I'm being careful not to rip through my hair. So I'm just going to start from the bottom, work my way up, detangle each section well, and then move on to the next section. So what you see me doing here after I got done detangling with the wide tooth comb, I am going to further detangle with the dimming brush just to make sure that I have all of the tangles and all of the curls smoothed out. Alright guys, so here you will see I've skipped ahead a bit. I've already detangled the back 2 sections. I've completed the front section, so now I'm just gathering all my hair together. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a low bun. Alright, so I have my hair in the low bun here. I'm just showing you the ORS foam that I'm going to put on my edges just to smooth them down. I'm going to brush it down and then put on my favorite scarf to hold it down. At this point, I think I had pretty much decided that I wasn't going to complete the whole process this day. So I went ahead and again put the foam on, setting lotion, whatever you want to call it. And then I just went ahead and tied it down. And yes, I did wear my hair like this to work the next day. So I think the next day is when I went ahead and flat ironed it. Or knowing me, it could have been 2 days later. But either way, I did not complete the whole process the same day. So this is just me putting on my scarf, and then I will come back when I am ready to blow dry it out. So here I am the next day. I've taken my hair out of the bun. I'm just combing through it. It is still a bit damp, so I am going to go ahead and blow dry it a bit just to get a little more of the texture out of it. As you can see, it's still wavy, so I like to get it as straight as I can with the blow dryer. That way I don't have to go over too many passes with the flat iron, just trying to avoid heat damage. My hair is colored on the ends. You can see actually this color is probably at this point about 2.5 years old, so it's grown out um, pretty well. So that part of my hair is already damaged from the color, so I don't want to put an extreme amount of heat on it. So I just try to get it as straight as I can with the blow dryer. That way I'm not putting an extreme amount of heat on it with the flat iron. So you'll see me go ahead and blow dry the rest of my hair here, and then we will move on to flat ironing. All right, I am done blow drying and I am happy to be done. So here I'm just giving you just a picture of the back of my hair, and my hair can be really deceiving. It looks like I have a ton of hair. I mean, it is long. I have a lot of strands of hair, but my hair is fine. So, yeah, so you'll see like once it's all flat ironed, it's like half of the volume that it is when it's blow dried. So anyway, I am starting to flat iron. I am just taking small sections. I am chasing the flat iron with the comb just to make sure that I'm getting through the ends. My ends are probably not in the best shape because I haven't had my hair done at the salon. Probably, oh, you know what? I'm not even sure at this point. I don't get it done that often. Usually I'll start going in like October, and then I'll probably go every 3 weeks or every month up until spring, or up until it gets warm again. So let's say maybe four times a year, maybe five at the max. I'll go and get it done. But I do live in the Midwest. The summers here are really hot and really humid, so I do not get my hair done in the summer months at all. But in the fall, like I said, around October, November, I will start going to get it done, and then I'll go every 3 weeks or once a month or so. And then my stylist, she'll make sure that my ends and everything are in check. So I haven't been in a while, so if you see scraggly ends, that is why. So here I'm just turning around to show you guys what I've accomplished so far in the back. And I'm sorry if I know the bottom of my hair is not in frame, but I am filming on my phone and I just have it propped up in the medicine cabinet. So I think I am going to move forward here in a minute so you'll be able to see the full length of it. Yeah, so you can kind of see it right there. So I'm just working my way up, and then as you saw in the previous clip, I am, tapping my roots a few times before I move the flat iron down the length of my hair. I try not to go over the full length of my hair more than twice, but the roots, as you can see, they are still very heavily textured, very wavy. So I do hit those, let's see, one, two, three, four, yep, about 3 or 4 times before I move down my hair shaft. So I'm gonna just continue on and then I'll come back in a bit. All right, guys, we are almost to the finish line. I just have that front section left. So here I'm going to turn around and show you the back. And actually looking at the footage, my ends are not as bad as I thought. I definitely need a trim, but they are not as raggedy as I thought that they would be. So I'm just going to continue on finishing this front side and then I will be done. And this probably took me about an probably about an hour. So not too bad, but yeah. right now, she is done. She is silky. She is looking beautiful. So I'm just combing through my hair, showing you guys how it looks. It's nice and shiny, plenty of movement. And again, the ends do not look as bad as I thought, which is good because it will still be a while before I go and get my hair done again. So yeah, this is what we're working with. It turned out great. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue showing you guys what it looks like. And then I'm going to probably wrap it up and be done. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Do you do your own hair at home? If so, how does it turn out for you? Do you get salon results at home? I wouldn't necessarily call this salon results, but it's good enough for me because again, I'm not a professional. But yeah, it turned out okay. I'm not complaining. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. To all my new subscribers, hey, I'm so glad you decided to subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. Until next time, bye.